Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke sangma ulawani shimbenta ban pynkhuid yakawa Umsohlang kabadan Mawlai kinton masar hakat nyu tarik ubenai jemang arhajar arpuar kumshi benta ban penne pensan ke jingkho jing suba jongki kiwa hakani ke singilaya don lang MDC ka Mawlai uba tei bor lang pathau urang ba shnong ka Mawlai kinton masar urang ba shnong ka Mawlai maudat baki ringkat bekinong penyat shnong bekinong shong shnong ka Mawlai kinton masar bat kiwei.
So we have come here today in Mawlai, Kantan Masar area, and this entire stream of Umsohlang. We are here to work along with 5 or 6 of the community in the localities out here to ensure that we are able to revive and clean and make sure that the biodiversity and all the other aspects of environment and ecology should be brought back to these streams. And with that, we have decided today to launch a mission mode program and let this be a pilot project which will be an example to other localities and other areas and other people in the state as well as in the region of the Northeast as a whole, that if the community and all the stakeholders and the government all come together, work together, we can reverse the impact of climate change. We can reverse all the aspects of what damage we have done to our streams and to our natural water bodies. If we work together, we can do it. So we have decided to get together along with the Rangbashnongs of all the different localities to have a meeting next week. And within a very short period of time, we will come back here to launch this mission mode program.